Today I am going to be showing you how to create a WhatsApp channel. It is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application. Go to the update section and click on the plus icon. As you can see, the find channels option. I don't have the create channel option yet. Channels are not available in all the regions. If WhatsApp channels isn't available to you, then join the wait list to be notified when WhatsApp channel is available to you. I will be showing you how to create a channel by using images. So first you have to click on the plus icon. Then two options appears. One is create channel and the other one is find channels. You have to click on the create channel option. Then the create channel page appears and then you have to name your channel and describe your channel including a description. Then click on the create channel button given down below, and in this way you can easily create your channel in WhatsApp.